Welcome to how to take screenshot tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to take a screenshot in your laptop. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So the first method we have today is using Ctrl and Alt and print screen. And then you can choose anything that you want to screenshot. So if you want to screenshot this picture, you can press the keys and you will think that nothing happened, but actually you copied the screenshot. So if you want to save the screenshot, you need to open the Paint app, and then you can from here click on Ctrl and V, and then the picture will be pasted on the Paint. So from here you can manipulate the picture and you can crop it and do anything with it. You can actually write on the picture like this and do anything you want. After that, click on File and click on Save As and choose the way of saving the picture. Then you can browse where to save the picture, as you see here. So the second method of how to save your screenshot is using Windows key plus print screen. So after clicking on Windows key plus print screen, the picture will be directly saved on the screenshots file. So to open the screenshots file, you need to open this PC and then click on Photos and then click on Screenshots. As you see here, this is this PC. You can click here on Pictures and then click on Screenshots and you'll find the screenshot that you have opened. And the third method we have today is using a snipping tool. If we open the Start and then write Snipping tool, you will find the snipping tool, click on it, and from here you can click on New and you can crop an image from your screen. As you see here, maybe you want to crop this image, you can do this, and then the screenshots will automatically be saved on your screenshot folder. Let's check on the screenshot folder. As you see here, the screenshot is saved. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.